Hi guys, this is Crafty Cat. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. We are here with a new Amazon unboxing, unbagging, and as you can see, it just came in this. I also ordered some filters for my new air purifier, and for some reason they put it in the same box as the filters, so this is how it came. So when I opened the filters, this was already there. And it's got this nice little reusable plastic bag. So as you can see, this is a watercolor paint box. It's 24 well moisturizing. So it's like a keep wet paint box for my gouache is why I bought this. So that I could put some of my gouache in here and maybe have a little travel set when I go out to the cottage so I don't have to take the whole thing with me. Because it's a pretty heavy thing and I'm terrified the other one, if I drop it, there will be a huge mess because there's no lids. Because once you take the lids off, they're just those peel-off lids, they're gone. I'm just going to keep this bag. So, I'm really excited about this. I saw people using these on YouTube videos with their gouache, and I thought, what a great idea. Now, I don't remember who I saw using it, because I've watched, like, I think, dozens and dozens, maybe hundreds of videos. So, maybe I should try to get these out. Oh my goodness, no, it's not going to come out. I don't think I need to save the box. So I'm just going to push it in here. So this is what it looks like. It almost looks like the little storage boxes that we use for diamond painting, right? Cool. I bet you those diamond painting storage boxes would have worked too, but I was worried because the lids open sometimes. Those little square ones. Me and the issue of finding where these things open, right? So, here it is. So this is really cool. It has a little ring for holding. Not sure how it would work. See, I always think the ring should be facing this way so that you could put your finger in this way and hold it in the palm of your hand. But the rings are always this way. So, like, what am I missing? Why don't the rings go the other way? Every time I'm confused by the rings. Like, it should be this way. If the ring was facing the other way, you could stick your finger in it and it would be in your palm of your hand perfectly. But it's not. So, let's just ignore the ring. And this isn't something I would be using in my hands anyway. I'm too much of a klutz to ever paint standing up and holding something in my hand. I will always need a surface. So if I paint outside, I will need like a picnic table or something. So what is really cool about this, I thought, is it comes with this little silicone sheet that's removable and washable. And that helps to make it airtight, supposedly. So isn't that great? And then we have these little boxes for the gouache to go inside. So you can put as much or as little as you want. I don't know if I would fill it all the way to the top. I'm hoping these are sealed at the bottom so the gouache can't go through at the bottom. And it also comes with, do you see this? This is like a little stick for, I guess, stirring your paint or helping to put it in there. So I thought this was really nice. And I got this on Amazon. And I have the wrong computer next to me. This is my 10-year-old computer. And I don't even know if I could get on Amazon with this one. It's so slow. I just use it for YouTube videos that I watch. So for painting and also for tutorials. And also I bring it downstairs and let my parrot watch parrot videos because she likes that. So anyway, just give me 1 second and I'll pop over to my other computer. Hang on. Alright guys, I am back. I paid $18.99 for this on Amazon.ca and I will put a link below. And today it is $19.99. So the prices, you know how Amazon is. The prices change almost every day. But I had to get this for my gouache because I do want to transfer some in. I'll probably do it later today. And that way I'll have some in this little travel pouch, and I won't always have to open the big one. And I think I'm going to, I've got this spray. This is antifungal spray because apparently gouache can grow fungus and it can dry out. So I've already sprayed it with this in the main tray. So then after I transfer some of it, I'll give it another spray. And I might cover that one with some plastic wrap or saran paper or something to try to keep it sealed better so it doesn't dry out, and maybe just work out of this one so that I'm opening and closing this one. Because I think what will make it dry out is leaving it open while I'm painting, because I take so long to paint. So if I paint from this smaller one, I won't be wasting so much paint if it dries out. And I can also put some of the anti-mold stuff on this and water it down, because gouache is reactivated with water. So I really like this little set. I hope it will work. It has some good, ooh, don't tell me I've already broken this. Please don't tell me I've already broken this. No, I didn't. It came off. So I don't know how sturdy these are, because like right away you saw this is coming off already. Yeah, these maybe are not the greatest. Maybe I got a dud. They're all coming off. Okay, do I have this on the wrong way? Is that the issue? Maybe when I pushed the ends in, it wasn't over here. Let's see if I can close these up without issue. That one closed. That one closed. That one closed. That one closed. But I didn't like how easily these come off. That one closed. That one closed. And I won't be able to tilt it around like that to close it when there's actually gouache in it. So wish me luck that this works. Maybe I'll put a little sticker on the sides, or maybe it just wasn't lined up. I don't know. I'll just have to be very careful to do the front before I do the sides. The issue might have been I did the side and then it was just somehow off at the front. But at least these went back on without breaking. If these break, it can be pretty bad. So I will let you know how these stand up. I don't like that the little hinges came off just the first try using it. I did not see anything like that in the reviews. So maybe I just got a dud. I don't know. But I'm glad I'm recording it. So I have it all on record that this is like me just opening it and there's issues. All right, guys. So thank you for watching. I hope you like this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that like button, subscribe, notification bell, all of those good things. And most importantly, take care and stay safe. Bye.